Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss about protection methods in Excel. When you share a file with other users, you may want to protect a worksheet to prevent it from being changed. We can apply protection on cells, worksheet, and workbooks. Let's look at these in reverse order. First is workbook. Let's discuss what types of workbook protection options are available. Excel provides multiple ways to protect a workbook. We can set a password to open or modify the content of the workbook. We can also prevent users from adding sheets, deleting sheets, hiding sheets, or unhiding sheets, or we can also show any structural changes. Let's see how can we do it in Excel. Here is the Excel file. Let's look at how can we make a workbook password protected such that if somebody wants to open that file or make some modification into that file, it should ask for a password. Let's do it. So firstly, let's write in the cell A1 Analytics Vidya, and we'll simply save file. Let's say I am saving this file at desktop. I'll name it as Analytics Vidya and I save it. Here you can see we have tools options at the bottom of this window. So we'll click on it and we'll go to general options. Here we need to provide the password for both to open the file and to modify the file. So here I am writing 1234 in open, and I'll go with the same password for modification as well. Modify password is used to prevent changes to the file by an unauthorized user. If the password is not given, the user can save the file, but he/she must provide a different file name. Now let's click on OK and we'll save this file. So it is asking to re-enter password. So here we'll write the password to open, which is 1234. So now it is again asking the password that we had used for modify, and here we'll write the password 1234 and we'll save this file. So we'll now close this file and open it again to check if the password protection option comes up. So now I'll open the file which I have saved it on the desktop. Here you can see that the password protection option has not allowed the file to open. Instead, it is asking for the password that we had entered. So we'll write 1234 and we'll press OK. And now the file will open. This is how you can protect your file in Excel. Let's move forward and learn how can we prevent a user to make structural changes to the workbook, like adding, deleting sheets and others. We'll move to the review tab and select protect workbook, and we'll tick mark the structure which is already there. Here we simply need to provide the password. Let's go with the same password as 1234. Here it is asking to re-enter the password. Now let's try to add sheet 2 to this workbook. If you click on the plus sign which is adjacent to sheet 1, I am not able to add a new sheet because it is now password protected. Let's discuss about worksheet protection. Worksheet protection is used to protect cell content, inserting and deleting cells, rows and columns, and to use sort, filter and similar functions. Let's do it now. So in the review tab you can see we have the option of protect sheets. Here we can check box on the options that we want the user to do. For example, if I tick on format cells, it means that I am giving user the right to make changes in the formatting of the cells. We have ticked on 3 options where the user will be able to make changes in the sheets, and in the rest options he'll be blocked. So he'll be simply asked for a password. Let's now type the password. This time we'll write 123456 and I press OK. Simply re-enter the password again, 123456, and press OK. Now let's check the impact of password protection. Let's say I want to write Apple, but I am not able to write because of the password protection. Let's try to delete the existing content. So here I have selected the row, or maybe I can simply select the cell. Here you can see that the delete command is not active. The reason being password protection. And insert is also not active, which means that I can neither insert a cell, delete a cell, or make changes in the height. However, if you see that the format cells option is still active, the reason being we had marked a tick in front of this option. So in this sheet, we have blocked all the cells, which means that the user is not able to enter data in any of the cell. But let's take an example. We allow the user to enter data in some particular cells or a range of cells, leaving behind the rest of the sheet blocked. Let's see how we can do it. So in order to do it, firstly we'll remove the protection from the existing sheet. So we'll unprotect the sheet and the password is 123456. And now we have unprotected the sheet. Let's say now I want to allow the group of cell where a user can edit. Let's take those group of cells as B2 to F2, and the rest of the cells will remain protected. It means that the user won't be able to enter any data outside B2 to F2. Let's see how we can do it. Now we'll move to the review tab of insert ribbon and select allow user to edit range. Click on new and provide the address of editable range. So here we can see that it has already taken the address of our range, which is B2 to F2, and press OK. Click on protect sheet and provide the password as 123456. And I'll re-enter the password. Press OK. Let's type some content in the selected range. So if you remember, our range was B2 to F2. Yes. Now let's write New Delhi. And here you can see that the sheet has accepted the content. Let's try to write something outside the range. So we'll again try to type New Delhi, and here you can see that it has given the message of unprotecting the sheet. This is how you can make use of password protection feature in Excel. By this we come to an end of this module. I hope you have learned significantly through our videos. Thank you.